Hello viewers, welcome back to the Glam World. Hope you all are keeping well, and today we are going to review the Vega 3-in-1 hairstyler, so stay tuned. So this hair equipment box comes with a hairstyler, warranty card and a user manual. So let's see the features of this hairstyler. So the first point which I liked about this 3-in-1 hairstyler is the ceramic coated plates, जो कि आपकी जो हीट है उसका इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करेगी पूरे रॉड में एंड आपके हेयर डैमेज होने से बचाएगी. एंड इट ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेज द लाइफ स्पैन ऑफ योर प्रोडक्ट, विच मीन्स कि आपका जो स्टाइलर है वो एक लंबे समय तक काम करेगा. And it's a good feature. Another feature is the power consumption. मार्केट्स में जो अदर रेंज के हेयर स्ट्रेटनर्स है स्टाइलर्स अवेलेबल है उनका पावर कंजप्शन इसके अकॉर्डिंग ज़्यादा है. सो ये आपका इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी सेव करेगी. सो इट्स अगेन अ गुड ऑप्शन. अनदर फीचर is its versatility. It offers 3 styling in one rod, which is a good point. And along with all the 3 styling, it is very lightweighted. You can easily handle it. It's not at all heavy and it's super easy product to use. तो अगर आप पहली बारी भी कोई हेयर स्टाइलिंग अपने हाथ में ले रहे हो तो you can easily handle it because it just has a one switch to switch to any of the styler in just one click like this. It's a crimper, and if you push the switch back it will become the straightener, and if you keep the switch in the middle it will become the curler. So it's super easy to handle. You just have a one switch, and it also has the on off button with the LED indicator, and the curler comes with a 32 mm barrel diameter जो कि मेरे हिसाब से लॉन्ग हेयर्स में ज़्यादा प्रेफरेबल होता है, बेटर होता है. लेकिन we will get the curls in my hairs, so stay tuned and we will see the beautiful curls. And the crimper plates comes with the 5 fine ridges which gives you super beautiful crimps. And another best feature is this 360-degree rotating swivel cord जो कि आपके वायर को टैंगल होने से बचाएगी, क्योंकि बहुत सारे स्ट्रेटनर्स में ये फीचर नहीं अवेलेबल होता है. तो कर्ल करते टाइम हमारी जो कॉर्ड है वो टैंगल हो जाती है और मैस हो जाता है उसे सुलझाना. सो इट्स अगैन अ गुड फीचर, and it has a 2 meter wire length which is good and fine. For the switch you can connect and use it easily because it's long enough, and its slim and sleek designs gives it a very beautiful look. You can see it looks so beautiful. It's slim and sleek. I think it's very reliable and you can give it a try. तो अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि किसी हेयर स्टाइलर को आप यूज़ करो तो I will suggest you can get this Vega 3-in-1 hair styler from Flipkart, Amazon or any other sites. I got it from Flipkart, so you can also check. I'll give the link in the description. So now let's get to the testing. So it's on. Let it heat for about 1 minute, and first we will straight over hairs. Okay. So this is the straightener. So you can see कि मेरे बाल कितने तो उसमें स्ट्रेट हो चुके हैं, लेकिन मैं सारे स्ट्रैंड्स को एक साथ स्ट्रेट करके नहीं बता सकती. आई विल जस्ट टेस्ट इन वन हेयर स्ट्रैंड Let's get to the another hairstyler now. So straightener was quite impressive. Now let's get to the color. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3. So see this curl, it's super beautiful. Now let's do the crimping. Now we'll do the crimping. So you can see the crimping. So beautiful. So viewers, I like this Vega 3-in-1 hairstyler and it's a big thumbs up for this device and I quite liked it. But the only disadvantage which I found for this device is you can't use it as for professionals, but for sure it's a self use device. आप अपने लिए इसे यूज़ कर सकते हो, easily carry कर सकते हो कहीं पे भी. It's just super convenient to carry all the three in just one device and it's quite beautiful. I liked it, in fact I loved it. So you guys can definitely give it a try. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.